trustworthy.com offers an exceptionally positive and rewarding online shopping experience that truly leaves a lasting impression, combining quality, reliability, and customer-centric design in a way that feels both professional and reassuring. From the very first visit, the website presents a polished, user-friendly interface that makes browsing enjoyable and effortless, with intuitive navigation that allows customers to explore products smoothly without feeling overwhelmed. Each product listing is presented with clarity and care, featuring detailed descriptions and accurate representations that make it easy to understand exactly what you are purchasing, which builds immediate confidence in the brand. The quality of the products themselves is impressive, as items arrive exactly as promised, reflecting careful sourcing, solid craftsmanship, and attention to detail that goes beyond basic expectations. The checkout process is streamlined and secure, creating a stress-free purchasing experience where everything feels transparent and well-managed. Delivery is handled efficiently, with orders arriving on time, carefully packaged, and in excellent condition, demonstrating that trustworthy.com genuinely values customer satisfaction and product integrity. What truly sets trustworthy.com apart is the sense of consistency across the entire journey, from browsing to unboxing, where every step feels thoughtfully planned and professionally executed. Customer support further enhances this experience, as inquiries are handled promptly and courteously, reinforcing trust and making customers feel valued rather than overlooked. Pricing feels fair and balanced for the quality offered, giving shoppers a strong sense of value and confidence in their purchase. Overall, trustworthy.com stands out as a dependable and trustworthy online platform that prioritizes quality, smooth service, and customer happiness, making it an easy choice for repeat purchases and a highly recommendable destination for anyone seeking a reliable, high-quality shopping experience.